Okay, here's the new Dell computer we got today. It's a laptop. Just got it like 30 minutes ago. Replacement for the other old laptop.
Unboxing.
Tape it up real good.
Here it comes. Yeah, deal.
This is a 16-inch Inspiron. We also ordered a mouse. That way, close the TV.
They have nothing with that.
Mouse did not come with the wireless. Maybe it's a separate mailing.
And here is
the computer.
Here's the back. Inspiron.
Here is
An Intel Core i5.
i5.
Inspiron 16-inch.
There is.
Then I need the other wire plug in here.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing. "16-inch full HD." Looking for the Windows 11.
Is the Windows 11?
Yeah, where is it? Where does it say that?
I don't think it says that. Did.
Here is the SD card and what's this?
USB maybe.
USB.
A headphone jack.
And have here.
Maybe USB and HDMI.
Yep, and the power cord.
Plugged in.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ooh, there is.
It's got a backlit keyboard.
Ta-da. Look, it has lights.
Backlit, they call it. At this point, you have to register and put all your personal, private passwords.
Yep.
Look at the speakers.
Yeah, big speakers.
The speakers, and this is your handprint.
There's speaker.
This
Here.
is your, you put your print.
Yep, and
So-
have their speaker too. Have those speaker.
And the camera block.
And there is the camera.
Whole
Block.
block.
Yep.
Slide it shut.
Intel Core 15.
i5.
Intel I. Oh,
Ooh, there is. Ta-da!
Okay, this is where we cut off. We'll come back when we finish registering. And,
Okay.
then you do it.
have you installed the USA?
Okay, we put mouse.
This is the
in
old
here.
mouse
Yep.
that we have. And I don't think it fits. If it doesn't fit.
And there is the mouse. You put here.
It's very hard to fit in.
Here, there is the mouse.
Okay, so let's connect you to this. Okay, so right here.
Connect.
Connect.
And let me type in the
Let me
password.
get the code.
Checking for updates.
This is weird.
See that?
Oh.
You're gonna go online, then it's gonna want a key code to show that she owns it.
There you go. Keyboard. This is a new button. It's called the keyboard light button. On it,
Just leave it. Yeah, leave it
on
on.
off. Okay. And then this is also a new button. These are speakers. And then pretty much everything else is normal.
Ooh,
Mine is bigger than yours.
look at that.
This is 16-inch. How come you don't have it turned to this?
Let's name your device.
No problem.
This is you put your name here.
Yeah, you put your name here, but we cannot show you the name.
Yep.
It is loading.
It's loading after your name. You put there. Oh, there is deal.
Down. Oh no.
Ooh, what's in there? Support assist. Scanning the system.
This takes years.
There you go. It's loading.
A broken fan right out of the box. So we gotta do some troubleshooting now. More passwords we need now.
And after that, you put your Microsoft account.
We'll create one.
Yep.
Okay.
This is the new Windows 11, it says. We're getting you with latest Windows 11. Yeah. Easier to use, personal touch, and tools for focus. Hi.
There you go. Hi.
Getting
Ooh.
things ready for you.
After everything you fill up, this is
What you get.
the pop-up. Up. Please keep your PC on and plug in. Don't turn off your PC.
Almost there. This is what the new words on the PC though.
Ooh, look at that.
Wait, that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be this. Okay, here it is. The
Down. It's already download.
new-
Ooh.
It is.
Here it is.
Windows 11.
Look at the
You want dark mode?
dark. This, I like that.
No, this is dark mode.
The other,
You want,
click all the color.
you got this one.
Ooh, look at that.
This is the same one I have my school computer.
Okay, the other one.
Vivo.
Okay. What else? The choice is color. Ooh, look at that. It's nice. Ooh, no, I not like that. So bright. I like the dark
It's
one.
the last one.
No, I not want that. The other dark.
There's only two
that?
dark.
Okay, that.
This is one.
Yeah.
This is the official Windows 11 logo dark version.
Yep. That's nice. I like that color. Okay, we done now?
It's done.
Oh, that's it, guys. It's already done.